wide opening, pointing up, stretching, mobilizing, and also being flexible. Ready, let's go. Holding hip bones, nothing moving. Can you only do this? But without bending the knees. Keep legs straight. You're shifting on one joint, another joint. And also open feet evenly. If not, you will not feel the same both sides. One side may be more stretchy, one side less. It's all coming from how you're placing your feet. Big stretching for inner hip flexor, inner thigh too. Now holding your toes forward facing. This one a little bit more smaller, side, side. Straight legs without bending the knees. I'm trying to count while talking. And holding, little bending the knees, more hip, circling, but small circle, not big, side, back, side. Small, slow, and hold for reverse, other side. Keep shoulders back. You will target your hips more. And holding, toes again, pointing out. Both hands on one top of the leg, pelvis side and back. Other side. Change again. Change again. And upright. Both arms, keeping tummy in, reaching out, bending knees, hunch and crunch. Up. Crunch. One more reach. Crunch. Up again. Crunch again. All the way go down. Up and reach. Down. Reach. Two more down. Squeeze glutes. Last one. Up and holding your elbows. So elbows little back. Tummy in again. One side. Center. Other side. Center. One more reach. Center. Now you will flex and that side of the foot. Look down. Up. Center. Other side flex. Look left or right. Which side you flexing? Up and hold. One more reach. Up. Side again. Big twist for torso, upper body. Up and center. Lowering your arms, feet hip width apart. Little shoulders circling. Back around. Up, back around. Reverse, other side. And holding now hands on the kneecaps. While you're looking forward, straight spine without hunching. Stay upright and circle. Bending the knees. Yeah. From the knees, circling. Keeping feet parallel. Small circle. Hold for reverse. Other side. Happy knees. Hold again. slowly up. Feet little wider again. Hands in front of you. Now more glutes. Up. 3 more. 2 more. 1 more. Last one, arms down, in, all the way up, bend, up. Squats, down, up, all the way, bend, up. Down, bend, lift, bend, up. Down, bend, lift, up, bend, up. Last one, in, all the way up. Last bend and up, then over. Well done. Feet hip width apart. Tummy in, one heel up, ankles, and then we will work a little bit for balance with weights or without. Reverse other side. Holding, lift other one. Circle around. Reverse other side. And over. Now you can take those weights. We will still work for balance and strength as well. Big wide opening. Pointing out, you will be upright, open arms into T shape to the left hand on the left knee, left hand, left knee, right arm overhead. Now right hand, raise your left foot, put down, you stay on the knee, Leslie. Left arm up the ceiling. Put left elbow on the knee, push yourself, lift arm, right arm, overhead again. Up and over. Now right foot pointing up. Big T shape. Right elbow, right knee. Left arm overhead. Now left hand, where is right foot? Under shoulder, right arm up. Right elbow on the right knee, lift left arm up slow, find your balance, left arm overhead. Other side, you knotted yourself. Up and push yourself. Now feet, knees again, hip width apart. Right foot forward. Little tucking under pelvis, both arms in front, palms facing. Both arms up the ceiling. Can we do toe tap? Tap. That standing foot, concentrate on that foot. Tap, knee only, maximum hip line, not too high. Up, holding, ankle flex. Can you open side? In again, tap again, up again. Stay upright, don't fold forward, don't worry, you will be fine. Up, side the last. Center, tap and lower your arms. Other one, forward, tensing core, tucking under pelvis. Same time, big toe on the floor, heavy pressing. Arms up the ceiling. Now toe tap. 4, up, 3, up, 2, up. Again, last, up holding, ankle flex. Side open, center. Side, in, last side, in, hold, all the way down. Well done everyone, good stability. Now cross, big side, but that is not big gap between like thighs, more like thighs helping little each other, squeezing and then big back. Arms up. Arms up. One more. Up. Last one. Up. Holding, now can you bend the knees? 3, up, 2, up, last, up, pull back in and over. Now other one. Big step, no cheating, big cross. You upright first. Bend, arms up. Bend, up. 2 more, arms in front of you. Up, holding, now bending the knees. 3, up, 2, up, last, up, all the way down. Shake your legs. Bending elbows, palms facing up to ceiling. Little elbows away from your waistline and your hands, some of you, like that. Keep upright, because everything engaging. Then circling. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold, reverse. 3, 2, 1. Holding, crease, cross, reach up, squeeze back muscles. Crease, cross, up, squeeze, in, out, lift, in, out, lift. Last set, in, out, lift, then release, up, down, bending elbows. Hands facing forward, now close the head again. Squeezing elbows in front, back muscles squeeze. In front, chest, back muscles. In, back. One more in, back squeeze. Last one in, back. Squeeze, little forward, up to ceiling, down. Like really lifting heavy weight. That much you engaging muscles. Down, up, 3, up, 2, up. Next, 1. Last, back of fist together. Elbows keep wide, now side muscle. Without passing your shoulder line again. 5, in. Without lifting shoulders. 3, 2, next, single arm. Doesn't matter which one. Other one, up, down, lift, down. You can do this with 5 kilo as well. I bet you can. Up, down, up, down, down, down. Last, up, last for me. Everyone already was last. Always. Now similar one, but that's more effective for posture and back muscles. That's similar to what we've done now. In front of you, you're bending the knees, shoulders back, squeeze back muscles, in, back, in, up, back, in. Make sure your spine not hunching forward, so shoulders not forward. Keep straight from pelvis, head, then mid-back, squeeze. 2 more, in. Last one, in, all the way up. Shake your legs a little bit. Thank you for watching. Repeat these exercises at least 2 or 3 times a week. Subscribe to my channel to stay in tune. Bye.